Welcome to our 10-minute low impact functional fitness movement session. Let's get going. We're gonna bring elements of Tai Chi, Qigong, yoga, cardio exercises, all in this short, simple, but effective session. Just move side to side. Like you're carrying a baby, reaching it to the sky. Look up to the sky, move the lower body. We just want to get warm here. We're gonna take some real focused, intentional movements and then add a nice cardio element to them today. Get the heart rate up, really boost our energy. Bring presence into everything we do. Move with awe. Reach it higher up and look to the sky. Get the lower body going. Full body movements today. Connect that breath to the movement. Hallelujah. All right. Just simply step to the side and twist. Real gentle to start. Get that back nice and loose for the day. Head up high here. Just notice wherever you're at. There's no place to get to. Maybe you're feeling a little stiff and sore. Then you slow it down. Any movement is good. Okay, can we now, I'm gonna go to the other side and pick up the pace a bit. Sink a little more deeply into the twist. But let's really get the heart rate up. Let's really boost our mood. Let's go, come on. Woo. Don't slip. A little bit faster. Ooh, is it too early for that? No, you got this. 3, 2, 1. Oh, happy days. Shake the body out. Let's build some amazing leg strength. Reach down as low as you can go and twist each side. Maybe that looks like this for you today. That is a brilliant move right there. Bend the knees, but maybe can we get to the floor? Functional movements. You want to bend down and be able to pick things up. Bend your knees and twist. Breathe. Focus on what you can do, not what you can't. Maybe you sink just a little bit deeper, twist a little further. Just find a nice flow with this. Head up high. Twist. Really connect to your breath. Feel the energy flowing through your body as you build incredible strength, mobility, core stability. 5 more. Go as deep as you can. Just be here now. This is the most important thing. This move. Now this. Was so important. We got one more. Okay, now let's take this Sink down and bring the knee up. And we're gonna add some pace. Get that heart rate up. Go as low as you can. Reach down, bend your knees. Just a reinforcement, as we all know, when you gotta pick something up, bend your knees like this to maintain that back health, spine health, until we're 110. Excuse me. A little bit faster now. This is the goal. This is why we're here. To get to 110 healthy. With a mindset that says we will, with movements that matter, we'll get there. Okay, a couple more, come on. Really get that knee up, come on. Sink deeper. Last two. Yes. Balls of your feet. Wiggle your fingertips. Real intentional movement. Notice the beating of your heart. Connect to your breath. When you breathe intentionally, and notice you recover much more quickly and gets us ready for our next movement. Okay, let's build our mobility and strength and focus. Step to the side and lunge. And I want to go circles with the arms. So, slow movements. A little skip to the side. Circle the arms around. Skip to the side and lunge. Feel the stretch in the inner legs. But more importantly, just bring everything into this moment. Move like a ninja would. 110-year-old ninja. That's what we aim to be. There's the endorphins. Maybe get a little deeper into your side lunge. Maybe swing the arms up a little bit higher with a little bit more intention. Head up high now. Yeah. Two more. Okay, similar move, just step to the side with a little skip in your step, a little childlike skip, and twist the body with pace now. As quickly as you like. Let's really turn the heat up. Let's leave this session feeling like we can take on the world. Because you can find more freedom. Freedom from ourselves, from that self-deprecating, constant mind chatter. You are enough. You can. Okay, just a little bit more pace. Come on, twist. Oh, you're building amazing strength in your legs. Oh, yes. Get that heart pumping. Oh, yeah. Your body is precious, and we are cherishing it in this moment. And, oh, whoa. As I fall off my surface. Okay, let's finish it off today. Well, this session, I know you're going to keep moving throughout your day. You're going to take every flight of stairs, walk after your evening meal. Let's just step and bring the arms up. Swing the arms back as far as you can. Bring them up. Breathe. As we slow everything down, but continue to build amazing mobility. Head up high. Swing the arms up a little bit higher, a little further back. Step out just a touch further. You just sink down just a bit. Okay, now let's go arms up and step back. We're gonna go real slow with this movement as we conclude our session. Real calm. Circle the arms in, step back. I think I can. Shake it out. How does that feel? Please let me know. I feel amazing. Thank you to you for being here, to allowing me to show up. We are in this together. Let's just take a few real conscious breaths. A conscious breath is, after a session like that, is relatively easy. We can bring our attention to our breath. We breathe in, we breathe out. And this is the practice. So just take and notice. Breathe in, breathe out, and be. It's when you're being pushed. Somebody's putting pressure on you. You're in a difficult situation. That's when this practice comes into play. You're in a hurry and you're standing in line. Hold on here. Can I just breathe? Can I just be? Maybe that's the thing. It's not getting to where we think we need to, but just being in that moment, especially when there's frustration. Breathe in, breathe out. Maybe this is the thing. Fully breathe in and out. Your most conscious breath of the day right now. Breathe in fully. Hold it and breathe out. Take that level of presence through your entire day, and man, becomes an exceptional life. Find joy. Remember, we don't have time to be angry. Easier said than done. I'll be working on it myself. I am truly grateful for you. Thank you for continuing to show up. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.